There are a lot of myths around AI today, that AI is everything from our worst enemy to the promise and the savior of the human race, that everything is going to be amazing. And with all this hype, with all this fear and confusion, the reality is it's not really any of these things. There's lots of good things and there's lots of negative things around it, and we need to weigh up what the opportunities, what the risks and the pitfalls are, and to have greater awareness of what it can do so that we can make good decisions. We could just sit around and watch and wait and see what's going to happen and look at what everyone else is doing, but the risk with that is that you're going to be left behind. If you wait for 12, 24 months, things are just going to keep moving forward very, very quickly. I'm presenting a workshop on AI without the hype, and I want to show you what the practical applications can be beyond just generating some copy for an email or social media. That it's more than just generating messages, but it can really be a wonderful tool for streamlining the way that we work together, for better collaboration, for streamlining the work and improving our workflows as well. I've done a lot of work in this space over the last 2 years, helping organizations with strategy, facilitating workshops, implementation. I've run lots of training sessions, and I want to give you these frameworks and tools to help you with your AI and your digital journey. I'm going to demonstrate 3 different tools that can really help you gain practical productivity and to help you get from A to B much more effectively. There's so many tools out there. It is overwhelming. I want to help you to make some good decisions to help you improve the efficiency and the value and the quality of what you do. So I'm going to give you 3 practical use cases for AI to help you save time and to build your awareness and confidence. I'm going to give you the framework to map and plan and scale AI in your business. The great thing about this framework is that there is structure to it, but it also allows for the flexibility and the context that you and your organization are in. It's your pathway for digital maturity and for future-proofing your organization and the work that you do in the long term. There are lots of ways to measure digital transformation. So the first one is time saved, and obviously that shows how many minutes or hours you save in a day or a week or a year. That can be multiplied across the number of people in your organization, and that in turn you could put a number on the dollars that you save. They're not very tricky to work out. The third one then is the return on investment. So when you apply AI and automation, better tools and improvement in the workflow, you can measure over time what the return on investment will be. But what I'm really interested in is then if you take a level lower and you apply the what transformation does more on a human level. This is really on a task level, and then on a human level we have 3 other things that happen. The first one is the impact on the work that we do. This is looking at when we can reduce manual tasks, manual administration, the impact and the quality of the work that we do is going to improve, and we're going to see higher quality work, better activity, more important activities that can take place. That in turn will also affect our bottom line in a secondary way that is not as easy to measure. The 5th one is then the digital maturity that happens in our organizations. The maturity of our organization goes up, the upskilling of people, and that's going to help to future-proof our organizations in our industry. And then the last one then is the personal impact. The impact that rolling out these tools has on people, whether it's your staff, your team, your clients, customers, members, donors, whoever that is. It has a personal effect. When you do good work and good quality work, there's an effect that plays on our attitudes, the way that we approach work, our motivation. And so what I love to see is then the personal effect and how that can then move through an organization. It can really help to change the tone, the atmosphere, the culture of an organization. With all these things in mind, this is where I think it is important that right now we work on our plan for maturing our technology. This is important work. I know it's not always the most urgent thing, but the importance of this is really to help make our organizations more robust for the future. There's so much changing in the world, in our communities, in the landscape of the work that we do, that we need to be adapting and learning and growing our capacity in these things. So come and join the workshop, AI Without the Hype. I want to give you the frameworks and the tools which I've been learning to help you on your digital journey as well. I look forward to seeing you there.